The development of high-value crops for domestic consumption and export is seen as a priority for economic development and improved livelihoods to our rural farmers. Vegetable farmers have constantly improved on their farming techniques and methods to maximize on production harvest. This week, Nations Business visited some successful vegetable and livestock farmers in the province of Ra to highlight their achievements and struggles over the years. Ravindra Gaundar has 5 acres of native lease agriculture land in Rakiraki town, where he uses for vegetable farming.
Before I'm doing farming in Fiji, Rakiraki, I went to overseas. I applied my work permit there. I was not able to get it. So I left everything. I thought myself that why can't I work in our own country where the money is here. In overseas, we work there for $100 per day. And here we're getting $200–300 per day. On top of that, the government is assisting us, and I've got plenty help from Rakiraki Agriculture. And they're helping me every year. And in my farm, I'm planting all the vegetables, and 2–3 years I'm getting the certificate of best green vegetable farmer. In this country, plenty money in this country, because we are lazy. We don't want to work. Every time Saturday morning, the farmers first, you can see the farmers with a bag in the market to buy the vegetable, but the farm is empty. They buy every day. See, this one plant lettuce is $2. All the $2 is lying here. This was just like one ATM machine. Just like one ATM machine. When no vegetable here, just like ATM machine empty. When the vegetable there, just like the machine, money in the ATM. Plenty assistance coming from the government. Plenty assistance. If this government is giving the assistance, I don't think any other government has given. And you must make use of. Make use of.
In the years ahead, our support to Fijian farmers will remain unrelenting. We will keep fighting for global climate action to protect our livelihoods from devastating impacts. We will keep providing smart and targeted assistance that sets up this industry for enduring success. And we'll keep seeking and leveraging new opportunities to put high-quality Fijian produce in restaurants, in supermarkets, in hotels, and on dinner tables, both in Fiji and beyond our shores.
Apart from managing household tasks, rural women plays an important role in producing agriculture crops, tending to animals, and many more. We met a Ra native who says helping her husband in their farm has eased the workload they face daily.
Ani lima na lubengu. Kera utuba dakadaka melutoka nandua nangauna. Bulan rendre sa tabi tu mai taon kake de sauni. Ni kera ngwale mai kera mai dakataka nangele. Kera ngai kila ni ebina kadake menda dakadaka. Dakapa na menda bakataka nangele. Mai na kena nda tu mai taoni nda dakadaka. Ta walu singa una tu mai taoni sandondo nga menda ngwale mena koro nda mai bakayanga takingele.
Torika Nassau urges other rural women to help with farm work because they are man's greatest helpers.
Tabunga nanga unanda na numatunga me tadaka batunga na daka pakmarame lo manivale. Ia ninda rai da tiko na nanda tum turanga ni tiko tautumba kenda na sinero ni balai mera daka taundu tiko. Batini kenda na marama kenda ndanda weibu keanga. Dondono me andanda uke ira, da velo mani taka na daka, me rawanianga na kanda da kabatiko. Le asalanga angoa ke raunda ute tabiaka, te tiko na tabiaka mbaleta me ndau besa tabitiko e nanga unilanga, doana mate, So lebu se dabana kae hado mai na kila ni tabia kenda wedi ngubitiko e binaka zake mena misini ngo mena bulmakau na wava kwa banga take kwa ngo mbili wala nga satos.
At 70 years, Ram Laxman manages a successful pineapple farm alone, without any laborer working for him.
I was working in a garage. I've got another garage in just nearby the recreating town. I left there. I told my son to look after them, and I came here for farming. And up to this system in pineapple, I planted so much suckers. The pineapple, and I think it's good because I am myself alone. I can do it. I don't have to use any labor or whatever. I harvest myself, I load it, I just give it to the market when done.
Laxman's love for pineapple farming started after he saw an old pineapple farmer on TV showcasing his success. He was then motivated to venture into the pineapple business.
I've seen in a TV one old man just showing the area he has planted pineapple. I don't know where, maybe in Lomaibuna or Talebu. The old man, he has got the head cap. Then I thought I can do that. I think everyone can do that. I have got cassava, bananas here, the potato and vegetables, bacon and everything I have got. If you have got the farm and you do the farming, oh, very good system.
From humble beginnings, Mukesh Kumar started with 3 ships in 2015, and now 5 years on, he runs a successful business with 151 ships.
Yeah, but any new farmer wants to just like start from sheep or goat, they can go through and have not 1 or 2 like that. And go through, put 10, 20, 30 like that. I started from only 3, 2 female, 1 male. And from that time I was running the shop, I was buying because I was not drinking Engona, cigarette and alcohol. So I was saving money every day by day, and I was buying the sheep. When anybody sells, I buy it. Because I am knowing that this will go. Year by year it will progress, they will give birth or... just like I've invested my own money, my personal money, about $10,000 to $15,000, because I'm very thankful to the government that how much he give it to me already, and I'm very happy and proud of that thing. And the other rest of that I have to do it. As a farmer that I'm interested to do anything, I have to do it by myself also. Every year by year I am increasing my sheep production and the goat and the chicken, because just I stay nearby to the town and people are knowing me from far past, because I was also running the shop before, and that's why people are knowing me that this fella is now went back to the farm and is keeping the sheep and the goat in his farm, chicken, duck like that. So people don't run here in the bush, go and catch the goat or catch the sheep, because it's all here near. And all my sheep and goat are very manuatigo.
In this last segment, the nation's business team traveled to Mburelebu in the district of Nalawa and visited a well-known yam farmer in the Ra province. And later, we will also visit a successful livestock farmer in Vunitangaloa. Mr. Choneman Rai passion for yam farming goes back to a message passed down by his grandfather.
Naubi baka ndone voli enda kilave na gani toke matai au ndo rongo to tubir nondangase erando tuguna era ke baka o segni o teubi o segni tangani ndo na ka ndo rongo to tumebir nondangase yo na voli bu ona tengo tau na wale bu bombote ni ndarongo da toka na nungu adani no bunu boga dorkina national show misuba o le tour na do bini ndautete eu bandina dina taka tau endon dina naite ni o dambata ni no bunu ya o bandina dina taka endon dina naite erten dina tangan o bandina dina taka yo sa roto merate na danga sembalete ni tukina na kaka na binaka saranga kinang o bombuta tawe mandanga go bandin dina taka toka redengo samba ko no sama bulkan dongo ala ko tingo yo o se bandin dina taka na kana kana binaka na tingo o bakela toka ni rauni be buki na yango me buki kenda na kau itu ki sebi mata taleso ya na buguni kakane tiko na naubi sambo totokan dina sulit tiko na kau na bi semin yang rota kan kini menda kata menda bulu bina Indona lain go o rawat kina indona tani go ba reture ka to ba leleng o tona lain go rokin indona tani si kembale tau ni o tona indona tani bana lain go ke ba retu gol gol cikuna gol cikina e una bi rota cikuna tulu ndul na nandola na lain donga na lain go.
With over 8 years in yam farming, he was able to earn an income and put his daughter through law school.
Ni walu nembak ngo awa tawaka tugo tau na nungu ngone lewa ko na baro dure na enta na ba ya no ko sitanga o ko a private student e wul ci men USP o bakko ti ko Vanuatu ngo baba nga mai tau o so ma ci ko nona duru nona tiko mai kia ke baka bian pina ka toko me mai winter se sama class ibiti o so mo mono ne bondo o so mo no le soni o ko bako tiko ya le start ke mbambale atau oni sakela no bonoro ni no bosakina na buguni no guteba ka tuni bulu me do saranga ngongo ana bulo ko sitemo sa durukina banaba.
Farmer in Vunitangaloa in Ra, who has a joint partnership with a landowner on that piece of land.
I started off with 8 cattle, 20 goats and 5 sheep. So I started with cattle farming first. After a year or two, I started with goat, and recently I've had some sheep also on my farm.
4 years on, the decision of using their savings to venture to livestock farming has seen a huge return on their investment.
Within the first 4 years of my progress, I had to do investment and development by my own self, but looking at my progress and hard effort, the Ministry of Agriculture has come in and they have already given me a massive support. in terms of supplying the materials and the other important fencing and racing material, which is going to help me and my stock. So from that moment up till now, within the 7 years' time, I'm having more than 40 cattle, 120 goats, and there are about 35 sheep with me on the farm currently. My piece of advice will be that this is an area where people can very easily look into. It's not a very difficult farming, just you need to know the skills, and after that you can get a very good return. And why we are trying to say livestock farming is a very important farming, here the cost of production is very low. If we go into poultry farming, you'll have to buy a lot of material to feed them. But here mostly our animals are totally dependent on the natural grass. So we call it the cost of production is really low. And then the return is really good. So this venture, livestock farming, especially cattle, sheep and goat, I think one of the best means of, if people have got good land and they have got the resources, they need to look into this.
Regardless of dry weather conditions and geographical location, Ra's successful farmers continue to work tirelessly to provide for their families and contribute to the economy through their small-scale businesses.